This is Wednesday, 7th of August 2024. When the garage is looking there, Tanya is with a foal halfway between on the road to the bachelor yard.
On the road to
In the yard town stud.
Towards the forces there.
Towards the yard, that's right.
Halfway up. This is the this is what do you call it? Backboard. Backboard, isn't it? Backboard?
Yeah.
Backboard? You see the tag there, Lee?
Little quality, colt by state arrest.
Little quality?
Yeah.
Of a state arrest? Little quality?
Yeah.
Feels like legal promise.
No, little quality.
Because there's legal promise here. Sure, what's legal promise?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I do remember meeting legal promise. Huh?
Yeah.
I do remember meeting legal promise, but I don't remember meeting legal quality then. Huh?
Yeah.
You've been nervous. You know you'd be nervous. Did you enjoy that?
It's 25 to 3.
Oh.
Yeah.
That grass I gave him was more fresher than this one then. This grass is not so fresh. Huh?
Yeah.
Is that filly?
It's a filly colt.
That's the colt, is it? Little quality in relation to Lisa Pimpernel. That's some cousin to it. Because Lisa Pimpernel's sour is a Lisa quality, do you know that? It could be the sister. Cousin to Lisa. Some relation to them anyway. What's in the name, you know? Cousin Lisa. No relation at all, you know. The quality in the name.
Yeah.
I do remember seeing little quality on the poster of Legal Promise, do you remember? I think she was Legal Promise's dam, wasn't she?
Yeah.
I don't remember meeting Legal Quality, I remember meeting Legal Promise. Are you sure that Legal Promise?
Sure, little quality, it says on yourself. Have a look yourself there, go on.
I can't seem to get that tired. He's very nervous. He's very nervous. This grass is not very it's not very fresh, Liam. It's not very fresh. How long are we with them now?
5 minutes.
changing dark, changing black. And Legal Promise is black. So I don't think they have that tag wrong. I think it's Legal Promise. It has to be Legal Promise. Legal Promise is dark. Legal Promise is black. Legal Promise is dark. I think they have the wrong name on that. It should be Legal Promise. Legal Promise was in the stud because I remember meeting Legal Quality. I remember meeting Legal Promise, but I don't remember meeting Legal. I remember meeting Legal Promise, but I don't remember meeting Legal Quality. I think I got a feeling that that's wrong. I got the feeling that name is wrong. You know, I got a feeling that they've written that name wrong. You know, I got a feeling that they've written that name wrong. There's no mayor. As far as I remember, there's no mayor here called Legal Quality in Stud this year. I remember meeting Legal Promise. You know, I don't remember meeting Legal Quality. Do you remember meeting Legal Quality? Huh?
No.
What's that?
Done.
Huh? Oh, it's out now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It'll be out, isn't it? Well, this is well, didn't take my jacket with me. I'm a bit worried then. I was a bit worried about my jacket. I need to a bit worried because the jacket's at home. You know, the jacket's at home. I'm a bit worried. You know, but I didn't have my jacket with me. You know, because it was a little bit, you know, because the sky was a bit grey coming out. So tomorrow I'll get my money and then we come back to the house.
Yeah. Do a video, yeah?
Video, yeah. I might do another one on Sunday, the last day. We'll get the place nice and we'll do a big spring clean. Get the place nice and get a big spring clean before we go away, okay?
Okay.
We're going to be away for a week. We need to get a big spring clean, you know. And we do our packing as well. I've used that case in the spare room. No, that case is underneath the chair. No, the case is underneath the chair in the spare room. That's okay if I use that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's okay if I use that.
If you want, yeah.
Because if you use a new bag.
This is my sports bag, yeah.
I haven't got another case to see. I have to get a new case. Whereabouts did we get that black case from?
Pennies.
Pennies?
Before I went to Bulgaria last year.
Yours or mine?
What?
Was it yours or mine?
I suppose it was mine because I used it. But I rented it to you.
Oh.
For €100, okay?
Now that you have that sports bag, I must keep it then.
You must be joking.
Well, I can't have two bags.
I can't have two bags. I went to you for €150, alright?
Oh God.
I don't do any more favours.
It could save me. It could save me buying a new case. No, it mustn't.
Oh, yeah.
Save me buying a new case because they are expensive. €50. It costs €50 to buy, so I must as well keep it. Because it's said me buying another case for €50. You know. They do cost about €50 each. They are expensive, you know. They are expensive to buy, you know. Right. Expensive to buy, I'm not right. If it's going to be not to worry about expenses, of course I'll have to worry about all those expenses and things. Absolutely. It's what I can't do. Not right. That's so lucky. You're not right. Not worry about all those big problems. lucky, aren't they? Don't have to worry about all those bills, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of, what do you about all that as well? Well, right. Oh, yeah, right about winning the races. Entertaining the world, isn't that right? Yeah, right. Entertaining all the world with all the successes of their wins. Isn't that right? Winning big money. Isn't that right? Yeah, right. Entertaining the world. That's right, yeah. Oh, gee, that's a close one. That was a close one. You're a bit of a scratch there. You're a bit itchy, are you? You look a bit itchy, are you? Yeah. Yeah. You're a bit itchy. Yeah. You look a little itchy. That's just a little scratch, isn't it? Every now and then. You feel a lot better when you get a good scratch, don't you? Feel better after a good scratch. Oh yeah. Lovely out today, isn't it?
Isn't it lovely?
Thank God.
It's a warm breeze.
You're making a best friend, are you?
Mm-hmm. We're feeding him.
Yeah. They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah.
I don't think my horse comes with any grass at all. Like, at all. He went like this with his nose. Like, I feel like he did it on purpose. Stuffed it off my hand.
We have dinner.
I didn't know she was there. Probably the Coronation chicken wrap.
Pizzas.
Do they, yeah?
Yeah. There's quiche, I think.
What?
There's quiche and there's Caesar salads and we have chicken wings. Good range of stuff. You can get chicken goujons. Try crushing chicken goujons. They're actually quite
I'll
nice.
think about it.
They are actually quite nice.
I might get the pasta.
You don't have taste the chicken goujons?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
They're actually quite nice. They're actually quite nice.
Mm-hmm.
Charge portion doesn't cost that much. The charge portion doesn't cost that much, you know.
Mm.
They only sell the charge portion of chicken goujons anyway. They don't have actual size portions. They only have charge portions of chicken goujons now. They don't sell the egg portions anymore.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Not for sure. I'll probably do so. But I think the child portion's cheaper. They're actually quite nice. You ever taste them?
Mm.
Huh? And you ever taste them?
Chicken goujons?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
They're gorgeous. I'm going to try the chicken goujons for a change.
No, I'll try the pasta today.
Nice, isn't it?
Mm.
We'll have chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice chicken, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
Lovely chicken, yeah. I've ordered that cheese. I don't like the cheese. I don't like Parmesan cheese. I hate Parmesan cheese. It's disgusting. I don't like cheese. I don't like that cheese at all. How long are we here now?
14
Or
minutes.
him, I should say. The him, isn't it?
Yeah.
How long?
14 minutes.
14 minutes. It's probably the longest video today, is it?
Yeah.
Oh! It's really kicking my head. Kicking my my head there with their poking my head with their nose. You joined this, are you? It's nice, isn't it? And then see, they got a few leaves, a few leaves in the grass. You see that?
Yeah.
A few leaves. I give him a few leaves, and he likes it.
Yeah.
He likes the leaves. Yeah. That look more like shamrocks. That should look more like shamrocks.
Some of it is shamrock. Some of it is shamrock.
Yeah. I gave him some of the shamrock, and yeah, she likes it. She likes the shamrock. Yeah. I've never seen shamrock in the grass.
Yeah, yeah. It's all over the place, ain't it?
Yeah. She likes the shamrock on the leaves of the dress. You don't mind the back?
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm not worried about the wind.
Mm.
You can't see anything in the back though?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's hard to talk, I can't see. Very embarrassing if I just went up to the back because of the wind. You see my underwear.
I haven't seen anything like that yet. I haven't yet.
Warm if you see anything in it.
Yeah, yeah.
Warm if it goes up, will it?
Yeah, okay.
I think I've my eyes back in my head. I don't have a lot of eyes back in my head. I can't see. It's all I hate about wearing short dresses when it's windy. It's so enjoying this? Huh? Mom, enjoying this, isn't it? I think my voice sounds like.
Yeah, it's a bit better.
Well,
A bit better.
it isn't fully gone yet, though.
No. Improvement though, isn't it?
It isn't fully gone yet, though. You can still hear it, okay?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear it, yeah.
What?
Not fully gone.
No. So I better not talk too much, otherwise I'll come back. They could probably come back again if I talk too much.
Yeah.
You get across the ground. There's a cop there, look. There's a cop. Yeah, two cops. Another one there, look. There. These are the two foster mares. The two new foster mares this year. The new ones. They look very like. See, they look very like. They look like twins. Exact same colour skin, the exact same marking. You have to think they were twins. These are sisters. I think I have a touch of lemon. Is it laryngitis?
Laryngitis, yeah.
That's why my voice is so funny. We were doing a research last night about my vocal cords. See what my problem was. causing my voice to go like that. And I mean, I'm forcing my voice. I was kind of over what's it? Forcing my voice a little bit and a bit strained to my vocal cords. I've been restrained. I strained my vocal cords for some reason. I was screaming, and yelling out to Liam on Friday. I was scared on Friday, and I kind of due to all the screaming, I managed to strain my vocal cords, and my voice is kind of going off funny. You think I had a sore throat, but my throat is not sore, so I knew it couldn't be in a sore throat. I knew it couldn't be in a sore throat because my throat isn't sore. So it's a little bit of research to see what the problem was. We're looking at the symptoms, because of the strain, symptoms of what I was experiencing, the symptoms I was experiencing, and we came up to a conclusion that I have a thing called laryngitis. Laryngitis is something that damage to the vocal cords.
Strain.
So I have to watch, not to speak too much, otherwise I can damage it more and make it worse. If I overdo it, I can probably lose my voice as well. Possibly I won't be able to sing anymore either. So that's the best thing I want is that to happen. Losing my singing voice. So I would break my heart losing my singing voice. Because I love singing. I just want to let you know that's what the problem is with my voice. It's not a sore throat, it's laryngitis, and I never had it before. It's the first time I've ever had this condition. I never had laryngitis before. I've only had sore throats, and my voice would go. My voice went hoarse before because I had sore throats. So I've never had laryngitis. So this is a new thing for me. Hopefully it will clear up soon. If it's not clear in 2 weeks, it says on the thing and online, it says it's not cleared by 2 weeks, I have to go to the doctor. So since I've had it since Friday, so it's only a few days now since it happened, so it's not that long yet. So it'll be a week, this Friday. So it's not cleared by next Friday week. I'm going to go to the doctor to see how it is. There's a slight improvement, but it's still there. Like you could be here, I think you can still hear. You can still hear a bit of it here and there, and strain in my voice. You can still hear it a little bit, and the hoarseness isn't fully gone. The hoarseness is not fully gone. You can hear it. It's not you can hear a bit every now and then as I'm talking to you. It's still there. But, so if it doesn't improve by next week, if it's not fully gone by next Friday, yeah, let's go to the doctor. But anyway, that's what I thought I'd clear with you there. That's about my vocals, why my voice is talking, why I'm sounding like this, why I'm sounding hoarse. Yeah, that's what the problem is with my voice. So that's what I'd clear with you. Yeah. Anyway, what time is it?
It's now 5 to 3.
5 to 3.